Customizing the Quick Access Toolbar. All right, let's talk about something that's going to save you a ton of time in Excel, the Quick Access Toolbar. Now, if you look at the very top of your Excel window, you'll see this tiny little toolbar with a few icons on it. By default, you've probably got Save, Undo, and Redo sitting up there. That's your Quick Access Toolbar, or as I like to call it, the QAT for short. So what's the big deal about this little toolbar? Well, here's the thing. The Quick Access Toolbar is where you can put commands you use all the time. Instead of clicking through different tabs and hunting around for that one button you need, you just add it to your Quick Access Toolbar and boom, it's always right there, one click away. Changing the position of the Quick Access Toolbar. Now, before we start adding stuff to it, let me show you something that makes a big difference. See how the Quick Access Toolbar is kind of tucked away in that top left corner? Honestly, when I leave mine up there, I forget it even exists. So I prefer to move mine below the ribbon where I can actually see it. Here's how you do that. Look for the small drop-down arrow at the end of the Quick Access Toolbar. Click on it, you'll see a menu pop up. At the bottom, click on Show Below Ribbon. And just like that, your Quick Access Toolbar moves right underneath your ribbon tabs. Much easier to spot and use. Now, quick note. You might still see a save icon up in the title bar area. That's not part of your Quick Access Toolbar. That's just built into Excel's interface. Your actual Quick Access Toolbar is the one that moved below the ribbon. Adding commands the quick way. Okay, let's start adding some commands. Click that drop-down arrow again, and you'll see a list of about 15 commands that Microsoft thinks you'll find useful. Things like New, Open, Email, Quick Print, and so on. Want to add any of these? Just click on it. Done. It appears on your toolbar immediately. Let me add a few right now. Click the drop-down arrow, click on Email, and there it is. Click the drop-down again, click on Spelling. Now that's on there too. Easy, right? One click and you've got quick access to that command. What if your Quick Access Toolbar is missing? Now, if you're looking at your Excel and thinking, wait, I don't see any Quick Access Toolbar at all, don't worry, it might just be turned off. Here's how you check. Go to File, then click on Options. In the left panel, click on Quick Access Toolbar. Look at the bottom of that window. You'll see a checkbox that says Show Quick Access Toolbar. Make sure that's checked. Then click OK. And now your Quick Access Toolbar should be visible again. Showing labels on your toolbar. While we're in those options, let me show you another handy setting. Some people find it hard to remember what all those little icons mean. No problem. You can turn on labels. Go to File, then Options, then Quick Access Toolbar. At the bottom, check the box that says Show Command Labels. Then click OK. Now, instead of just seeing icons, you'll actually see the names: Undo, Redo, Email, Spelling, and so on. Much clearer, especially when you're first getting used to customizing your Quick Access Toolbar. Adding commands from the ribbon. Here's where things get really useful. That drop-down menu only shows you a handful of commands, but Excel has hundreds of them. What if you want to add something else, like conditional formatting? Super simple. Find the command on any ribbon tab. So for conditional formatting, go to the Home tab. Right-click directly on that command. And in the menu that pops up, click on Add to Quick Access Toolbar. That's it. The command immediately appears on your Quick Access Toolbar. You can do this with any command you see on any ribbon. Adding commands that aren't on the ribbon. Now, here's something important. Not every command in Excel actually has a button on the ribbon. Some features are kind of hidden in the background. So how do you add those to your Quick Access Toolbar? This is where we dig into Excel options. Go to File, then Options, then Quick Access Toolbar. On the right side, you'll see a drop-down menu that probably says Popular Commands. Click that drop-down and select All Commands. Now you're looking at every single command available in Excel. Scroll through, find what you need, and click the Add button in the middle to put it on your Quick Access Toolbar. For example, let's say you want to add Shape. Scroll down to find Add Shape. Click on it to select it. Click the Add button. It moves over to the right side. That's your Quick Access Toolbar list. Keep going and add as many commands as you want. Removing commands. Changed your mind about something? No problem. You've got two ways to remove commands. Method 1 from Excel Options. So go to File, then Options, then Quick Access Toolbar. On the right side, click on the command you want to remove. click the Remove button. Method 2, the quick way. Right-click directly on the command in your Quick Access Toolbar, then click Remove from Quick Access Toolbar. Done. Gone. Simple as that. Reorganizing your commands. After you've added a bunch of commands, you might want to rearrange them. Maybe you want Save to be first, or you want your most used commands grouped together. Here's how you do it. Go to File, then Options, then Quick Access Toolbar. On the right side, click on the command you want to move. Use the up and down arrow buttons on the far right to change its position. Then click OK. Your Quick Access Toolbar updates immediately with the new arrangement. Separators to organize your toolbar. Once you've got a lot of commands on your Quick Access Toolbar, it can start looking like one long row of buttons. Separators help you group related commands together. A separator is just a tiny little vertical line, barely visible, but it creates a visual break between groups of commands. Here's how you add them. Go to File, then Options, then Quick Access Toolbar. In the left panel, look at the very top of the command list, you'll see Separator. Select it and click Add. Use the arrow buttons to move the separator where you want it. For example, maybe you want Save in its own group, then Undo and Redo together, and then everything else. Just add separators between those groups and arrange them using the arrows. You can add as many separators as you need. My recommendation. Here's what I suggest. Don't go crazy customizing your Quick Access Toolbar right away. Use Excel for a while first. Pay attention to which commands you keep reaching for over and over again. Those are the ones that belong on your Quick Access Toolbar. Once you know your workflow, start adding those frequently used commands. It's going to make your life so much easier when everything you need is just one click away instead of buried somewhere in the ribbon. All right, that's the Quick Access Toolbar. Let's keep moving.